The deeper you go into micro optimizing, the more it's going to cost. Grass-fed beef is going to cost you more than just regular beef. Pasture-raised eggs are going to cost you more than just eggs. When you're talking about budget friendly, it's going to come down to how much you want to micro optimize it, right? Because if you want to get it sourced super clean, you're going to pay for it. But I'm in the camp as well where depending where you're at in your fitness journey, you probably don't need to micro optimize. Most people listening to this and most of the people we work with, they don't need to take it to that extreme. And, you know, I was talking to a client about this specifically where it's like there's just layers of it. And as you go up the chain, you're going to pay more. And that's just the nature of the beast.